Dear Sherry, in a country where weed is legal, if a person is selling baked goods that use weed as one of its ingredients, is that person selling baked goods or is that person selling weed? And can that person be arrested for selling these types of baked goods? Seeing as all of the ingredients are legal, my opinion would be no, the baked goods would not be illegal, but that's an opinion. Do you have the facts? I would like to sell some of my edibles at my local farmer's market. Well, I'm glad that you asked before you did that. Before I get to the answer, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Well, I am sorry to burst your bubble, my friend, but you are 100% wrong on that opinion. That would be absolutely illegal anywhere that I know of. You are not allowed to sell weed at a farmer's market. What you have to understand, and I think a lot of people misunderstand this because they often don't read beyond the headlines, but when the headlines say that marijuana is legal, it isn't really legal at all. It's regulated and heavily, heavily, heavily regulated. So it would absolutely not be legal to be selling your edibles at your local farmer's market. Not only could you get arrested and get yourself in a lot of trouble, you could get the entire market shut down. That's not to say I've never seen it happen. I have seen, I was at one in San Diego a year or so, well, probably about 2 years ago now, where somebody was regularly selling edibles under the table. This is not a smart thing to do in any universe. Starting a marijuana business is very complex, unfortunately, and there's right now at this point in our history, there's no such thing as like a casual cannabis business that is legally compliant. States vary widely in what they do and don't allow, but I don't know of anywhere where you could just sell your homemade edibles legally at a farmer's market, unfortunately. Now, if you still want to pursue a marijuana business, and it's not impossible, but it is complex, I'm not going to sugarcoat that, probably more complex than starting any other type of business. There's a great book that makes a terrific place to start your journey, and that is Starting and Running a Marijuana Business by Debby Goldsberry. And she's somebody that has a lot of experience in this and really knows what she's talking about. So that's a great place to start if you want to pursue running a marijuana business. But just casually taking edibles to the farmer's market and selling them, that is definitely not legal in today's world. I hope it will be someday. One of my personal heroes, Edward Forchion, aka New Jersey Weedman, is definitely pushing the envelope on this, and he is openly selling cannabis and edibles and everything at his restaurant in New Jersey. But he is an activist. He knows what he is taking on. This is a risk he is willing to take in order to change the status quo and to change the laws. He knows he may be arrested. He has been before. He wants this to go to court. That's why he's doing it. So if that's your motivation, yes, we need more people doing that, because if everybody did it, it would change. But right now, it is an act of civil disobedience and activism. Go New Jersey Weedman. See you next time.